Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Dua. Thanks for joining me here at CryptoFed. So today we'll talk about Bitcoin and its potential bottom scenario. So before starting, I want to tell you that I'm trading this market since 2019. So I'm here to share my experience and I want to make this crypto trading experience prosperous for you. After watching this video, I definitely feel you will have a lot more clarity on the market. I definitely think Bitcoin and Ethereum has a lot of potential, and for long term, there are no brainer. But still, we'll look at in mid term and short term what we can expect from crypto. As you guys know, Bitcoin is getting hammered for last 1 year because of macro conditions what we are facing right now and many other reasons, default of FTX, Luna, and every other stuff. But still, chart shows you everything. So stick to charts. What we saw, Bitcoin topped around 69k and bottomed around 15.5k. Recently on 7th November, we got a dump. So first case, what I'm looking for Bitcoin is like it's in a 5 wave correction of Elliot waves. What Elliot waves tells us, see, these are 5 impulses. First wave, this was the first wave, this was a second wave. Third wave is usually the longest wave according to Elliott waves. Not always, but most of the times. So this was a third wave. This was a fourth wave. And what I'm looking for, it's an fifth wave. If it's a fifth wave, we can use fib extension to find where Bitcoin is going. Okay. If it's a fifth wave, first I will use fib retracement. From third wave, if I'll take that Fibonacci 12.7k. So it's our 1.618 Fibonacci level. It's a very important level of fib. And one other thing, as you guys know, what's the most important level on this chart after breaking this 30k level? Let's think for a second. Most amount of volume is traded around this. So this was our major resistance before we went into a bull market. It's also a point of control here. So we are getting confluence here. I'll look at this level 13k to 12k. It's a very important level. Fibonacci is also telling us we can have a potential bottom here for Bitcoin. So this was our one case for Bitcoin. Second I want to look at is, it's very interesting guys. You will love it, and is USDT dominance. Here what we have, a channel of USDT on the weekly time frame, sorry. What's here? Whenever we got a dump in crypto market in June when Bitcoin fell to 17.5k, so USDT peaked out in its dominance. Means what happens if like market is dumping, it means people are taking out their money. So where they are putting their money in stable coins. Whenever the dominance of stable coins is increasing like USDT, it means market is bleeding. What happened previously also, when it touched this trend line in the past also, the market bottomed there. Okay, so again it happened, and what it did, it peaked around this when that dominance of USDT took support from this long support of this like mid channel support, and then again it bleeded against because USDT dominance was rising. So this was a 24 point something top for Bitcoin. After the 17.5k bottom, this again was the bottom for Bitcoin at 15.5k. What I'm looking for, if we'll get another dump, what we can say, if USDT dominance reaches maybe 11.3%, it means it's a very good point to have an entry. It's not a financial advice. I'm showing what I'm doing in this market. It can be a very good opportunity. And same goes for the bottom also. It shows us the peak. Whenever the USDT is touching this lower trend line, the euphoria for crypto is ending. Okay, so it's vice versa. Third, what I'm looking for, again, I want to go back to Bitcoin. I want to clear this chart. What we can see in previous bear market of 2018, Bitcoin started its bull run from Feb 2015. If we take Fibonacci from there, it shows us Bitcoin bottomed below 0.786%. So what we can look at is the fall from this level. It was around 24%. So what I'll do, I'll take bottom from the previous bear market and I'll put the Fibonacci on this. We are on this level only. Previously it fell around 24% from that level. I'm not saying it will happen exactly, but we can get some confluence from it. So what's 24% from here? Again, it's showing 13k. What can I see from this chart? That 12 or 13k are the most important level on this chart. This was about midterm. Now we'll talk about in short term what we can expect from Bitcoin for the people who are trading it regularly. Right now it's not doing much. It's in a consolidation phase. So this high is really important on this chart, and there's 18.1k level. if we want any bullish scenario for Bitcoin, it has to break this. And what we can see, like there is a rising channel right now. It's not looking that bullish right now. And I think if it break this channel, then it will test its lower support here. Right now, Bitcoin is trading in a tight range. If it breaks this support, then we can expect another retest of this lower support line, or maybe it can break lower. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. You'll have a lot more clarity on what's happening in the market and what you should expect. Don't have a biased view on this market, I'll say. Be ready for both sides, plan accordingly, and things will work definitely. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Till then, next time. Bye bye guys.